सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Chapter 11, verse number 36. स्थाने हृषीकेश तव प्रकीर्त्याम् जगत्प्रहृष्यत्यनुरज्यते च रक्षांसि भीतानि दिशो द्रवन्ति सर्वे नमस्यन्ति च सिद्धसङ्घाः. Arjuna, now entering in the third phase of emotion, that is bhakti. First Ascharyam, second emotion is bhayam, fear. Then the third emotion is bhakti, devotion. Now in this 36th verse, this is Vishwarupa Prarthana. These are all shlokas good for meditation, expansion meditation. Third stage, prayer verses. Bhakti Sharanagatin. What do you mean by Sharanagatin? In the last class we saw alignment of my free will with the Lord's will. Alignment of my free will, my choice, with Lord's will. What is the meaning of Lord's will? What do you mean by Lord's will? Lord's will, nothing but dharma. Universal order. Dharma is Lord's will. What is that dharma? That law governs the entire creation. That law which governs the entire creation. How, in what form it governs the entire creation? For example, a person is born, human beings are born, they grow and they become old and they die. This is the natural phenomenon. Natural phenomenon. This is a part of the whole phenomenon. We have to accept youth as well as old age also. Generally we accept youth, but you don't accept old age. When we are healthy, we are happy. But the other side is disease, painful. But that is also a phenomenon. Unavoidable, unpredictable, unchangeable many times. So whatever is not in your hands, choiceless situations. Where there is choice, you use your free will. You put effort. Where I have to say fate na prarabdha, there I have to accept. Free will I use. I take medicine. Suppose any problem is there, physical problem, I take medicine. But still pain continues in spite of medicine. Suppose sometimes medicine itself gives pain. What to do? So that is after my effort also, after using my free will also, still I am undergoing a pain. There I have to accept the prarabdha. What do you mean by prarabdha? It is universal law, it is a phenomenon. Even death, disease, old age, dissociation of people from us, and calamities, natural calamities. Now everywhere virus fever, no? These natural calamities comes. That time prarabdha means what? Fate again. Therefore what we have to understand, my life is not determined by totally fate, not totally by my free will. If everything happens according to my free will, by Ishvara, everything happens according to my free will, whatever I want to do, I am almighty, all powerful, omniscient. But it is not so. There is something happening without my decision, without my will also. There we have to accept fate, prarabdha. That prarabdha also have a role. That there only we have to accept. Why I have to undergo this prarabdha? When it is good prarabdha, nobody will ask. We don't even remember that is prarabdha. Is it not? We don't remember. But when that is unpleasant, painful, what I do? I grumble. I murmur. Start murmuring. No? I grumble, I murmur. Why me? Question will come. That why me I should not ask. Why me I should not ask. Mature person will not ask. This is the experience I am undergoing. I deserve it. Otherwise why it comes? Any experience, bitter experience, any adverse situation also. This is my karma phalam. Either in this janma or previous janma. My own karma phalam. Happily what? I undergo the experience. This is called maturity. This is called maturity. Such a person never feel any pain also. The pain will be subsided because of this vision. This is called expanded vision. Understood. Clarity is there in thinking. Yes, I know this is my fate. I have used my free will, what extent I have to use. This is pain I am undergoing. Unpleasant situation. Yes, I undergo. Because I am only responsible. Why? My previous karma phalam this is. Now, there is no pain. Even that pain also, he takes on his shoulders. Yes, Nanda Pandade, I have only done. Let me undergo. This is called maturity. If not, suppose I am not able to undergo that pain, it is unbearable. Maturity comes, I can bear, I can withstand without much trauma inside. Suppose, if I am not able to withstand that much, then I seek the Lord's support. Bhagavan, give me strength to withstand. That time also I don't ask, why me only? I know, Bhagavan, this is my karma phalam. The pain I am undergoing. This experience is the phalam of my past karma. But give me strength to face. This prayer works. This prayer works. Japam, puja, dhyanam, upasana. Once my mind is involved, total in that, this becomes subservient. This pain, unpleasant situation at body level, mind level, any level, becomes subservient. It is not total absent. Pain appadi irukum. Surya Bhagavan vanda nakshatram theriyadu illaya? Stars theriyadu. Daytime stars irukka illaya? Irukku. Aanalum theriyadu. அதே மாதிரி ஜப்பா, பூஜா, ப்ரேயர், பிரார்த்தனை பண்ணும்போது இந்த பெயின் வந்து குறைஞ்சின மாதிரி தோணும். அவ்வளோதான். I have done prayer, I have done japa, I have done prayasitra. This problem has gone. Nothing doing. Really speaking, இது ஃபேக்ட். எல்லாரும் ஆமாம் தப்பு அக்கிரமம் எல்லாம் பண்ணி பிராயசித்தம் பண்ண பண்ணிடுவான் இல்லையா? It is not possible. But what happens, அதுக்கு தான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லுவேன். When you have cold, what is the medicine? No medicine. But what you apply? Some jandu balm. It burns, it get more burning sensation. And the burning sensation lo cold gone, போயே போச்சே சொல்லுவான். சும்மா போவே போகாது. If you take medicine 7 days, it takes time to get cure. If you don't take medicine also, 7 days. But why this medicine? And the pain lo, இந்த pain தெரியாது. அவ்வளவுதான். அதேதான் பிரார்த்தனை, இந்த ஜண்டு பாம், இந்த பெயின் அந்த பெயின்னா இல்லைன்னா கர்மபலம் நாபுக்தம் க்ஷீயதே கர்மா ஜன்ம கோட்டி சதைரபி. Without undergoing any experience, nabhuktam shiyate karma. And the karma phalam, it will never go away. It will never recede. How long na? Janma koti shatairapi. Even janmas, koti janmas. Adinala better, let us undergo. Let us undergo. That's why orthodox people won't take medicine. Now you know why they don't take medicine? They are very intelligent. நம்ம நினைக்கிறோம் இவருக்கு பைத்தியம் நினைப்போம். அவனு பைத்தியம் இல்லை, நம்ம தான் பைத்தியம். Why? They are beyond body awareness. They are beyond. They always worry about sukshma shariram. They don't bother about this shell. So therefore they undergo. Now Arjuna has got that maturity. Arjuna has got that maturity. In the maturity vandada you have a real devotion towards the Lord. Adi varakku mechanical devotion da. In the maturity, in the understanding, if you get only real devotion comes and you start doing namaskara to the Lord all the time. You remember, that's what Lord Arjuna doing now. Okay, whole background for what? Transformation in the Arjuna's mind. Now true devotee is coming out from that Arjuna's heart. That's why he says, Hey Hrishikesha, sthani prakirtyana. Hrishikesha means, oh Lord, Hrishikanam Ishaha, who is the master of all sense organs. Sthani, it is proper. Yuktaha ityarthaha. It is proper only. People are all doing namaskara to you, worshipping you, glorifying you. It is proper. Why? Because you are so great. Jagat prahrishyatina. The world is delighted. Rejoice. Anurajyate, gratified, full of love. All of them have lot of devotion. They attach to you deeply. Great sages, Mahatmas, all bhaktas, Siddha Sanghas, Rishis, all of them are in deep love with you. Prakirtya, by the glorification. What Radha does, no? All Gopikas, what is their job? Gopika and பேர் சொன்னா யார் ஞாபகம் வருவா? கிருஷ்ணர். See, பகவான் பேர் சொன்னா பகவானுக்கு ஞாபகம் வரணும். பகவான் பக்தாஸ் பேர் if you say, they are reminding the Lord. If you say Gopika, immediately who comes? Lord. That means how great that bhakta. Prahlada. சொன்ன உடனே Narsimha comes in the mind. What a great bhakta. Bhakta name சொன்ன உடனே பகவான் வராரு. Wonderful bhaktas. They are the bhaktas who remind the Bhagavan by uttering their name. By uttering that bhakta's name, just Bhagavan only comes. Bhaktas are subservient. We don't worship Gopikas. We worship whom? Gopika Nandano Bhavan. Akhila Dehinam Antaratmadrik. Gopika Nandana, Bhagavan Krishna. That is the greatness of bhaktas. That's why a musician, if she or he sings very nicely, really speaking, that disciple, once you see that disciple, they sing, immediately their guru only will come in the mind. That is the parampara. If they sing properly, okay. If they sing nicely, that with the sampradaya, parampara, same bani. Bani in சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? அதே அப்படியே இருக்கு. அது மாதிரி ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் ஜீனியஸ். அது மாதிரி மியூசிக் ப்ராடஜி என்று சொல்லுவேன் இல்லையா? மியூசிக் ப்ராடஜி மாதிரி ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் ஜீனியஸ் மாதிரி பக்தாஸ் ஆர் ஆல்சோ born bhaktas. They are. Why they are? Really speaking, all bhaktas nothing but to propagate Bhagavan. They all are advertisements, no? Like advertisement boards. Bhagavanike. Namma enna? Are we, no? Are in the place of that bhaktas? Am I carrying that, no? Board of Bhagavan, Bhagavan, Bhagavan. The message of Bhagavan, teachings of Bhagavan. I sit, stand, move anywhere now. Bhagavan is I am carrying now. How? By singing, by chanting, by doing japa, by looking at you itself. Ivar Ambal Bhaktar, Ivar Hanuman Bhaktar. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும் உருவம் பார்க்கறதுக்கு. இப்போ எப்படி இருக்கிறான்னா, every person should represent Bhagavan. He is Hanuman Bhaktarana. He is Devi Bhakta. He is Krishna Bhaktarana. So every person should be like that. So where Bhagavan is, now where somewhere Bhagavan is ever pervading in that through the bhaktas. Appadi irukku. That's why Arjuna says they are praising you Bhagavan every time. That's why Bhagavan பேர் சொல்லாத நாள் இருக்கக்கூடாது. தியானம் பண்ணாதானே ஜபம் பண்ணாதானே பகவான் பேர் சொல்ல முடியும். அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு கீர்த்தனாவது தெரியுமான்னா? பிரகீர்த்தியானார். தியாகராஜ டிட் வாட்? கீர்த்தனை. கீர்த்திக்கிறது என்ன? Glorifying the Lord. That is called prakirtya. Sing the song. That's why children have to introduce Carnatic music. Children ke chinna vayasile Carnatic music, either dance, anything connected to Bhagavan. Everything is connected to Bhagavan here. You see Tanjore paints, now they are doing embossing, so many things they are doing. Nothing but Gayatri, Vinayakar, Perumal. The art also connected to Bhagavan. This is also a type of praising the Lord only. Prakirtya tava. They are all praising one group of people. But some people are running away. rakshamsi bhitani dravanti dishaha. In all directions, the frightened demons are running. The frightened demons run. Dravanti means run away. Running away in all directions. Rakshamsi means Rakshasas in Artham. Why they are called Rakshasas, you know? By seeing them, people all shout, Raksha, 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 Mam, Rakshani, they will shout. Just as a drowning person always call, please save me, and children. Raksha, Raksha, Raksha means please protect me, and people run from this person. People run away from this person by saying what? Raksha, 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 Mam, Raksha, and please protect me. From whom? From this person. Well, that's why he's called Rakshasa. From whom people are running by saying Raksha, Raksha, Raksha. Therefore, he is called Rakshasa. Sarve siddha sangaha namasyanti. Evil-minded people, demons are running away, but great people, noble people, righteous people, namasyanti. The hosts are the siddha sanghas, group of sages. They are all saluting you, bow down to you. Next shloka we will read. So if you praise the Lord, it is proper. And if you don't praise the Lord, if you praise the local person, it is flattering. No? Illa poida. That's why he said the word sthani. Don't praise local people. Okay? Praise Bhagavan. If you want to praise any local person also who is connected to Bhagavan, praising the Bhagavan, you praise that person. So you are so much interested in praising a person, human being, praise that person who is praising Bhagavan. அப்படியாவது பண்ணு. அது தேவையில்லை, பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சா அப்படி பண்ணு. But don't praise the flatter, ordinary people. It is false. So your praising, your glory also must have a what? Value. Weight. There must be a weight in your appreciation, in your praising. சும்மா ஃப்ளாட்டர் பண்ணக்கூடாது, இல்லாதது போய் சொல்லக்கூடாது. அப்படி என்ன நம்ம க்ளோரி வாட் வி ஆர் சேயிங் ஹேஸ் நோ வெயிட், நோ வர்த். பகவான் தெரியும் பகவானுக்கு வாட் யூ ஆர் க்ளோரிஃபைங் இஸ் ரியல் ஆர் அன்ரியல். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா 37. கஸ்மாச்ச தேன நமேரன் மகாத்மன் गरीयसे ब्रह्मणोऽप्याधिकर्त्रे अनन्तदेवेश जगन्निवास त्वमक्षरं सदसत्तत्परं यत्. This is the prayer to fulfill our desires. Mahatman, He Vishwarupa, O great Lord, Mahan Atma, Sthula Shariram Yasya Saha. Here Atma na Sthula Shariram. Atma Mahan irukkodadu. Ippo Mahan na Atma. Here Mahan Atma means whose Shariram is Vishwam Eva Shariram. That is why Mahan Atma Shariram Sthula Shariram Yasya Saha. That Bhagavan. Kasmat Te Nameran. Why would they not salute? This is not a question mark, but there is an answer. Why would they not salute? No, they will salute you. Because you are great. Mahatman. Salute you. This is double negative. They will salute you అని అర్థం. They will worship you. Why not they salute? Why not they will worship you? They will worship only. Gariyase, because you are great. Gariyase, nameran and nammu dhatu. Brahmanaha adikartre api. You are greater than Brahmanaha gariyase. You are greater than Brahmaji. Brahma, second creator. Really speaking, Brahmaji is what? Brahma devanam pradhama sambhavova vishwasya karta bhuvanasya gopta. So Bhagavan Ishvara, what he did, he created Brahmaji first. That's why from Vishnu navel you see Brahmaji sitting where? On which sofa? Lotus. So that Lord Vishnu's look at him. Now you do your job creation. So Vishnu is great, Brahmaji is great. Vishnu is great. Vishnu is the Karanam, Brahmaji is the Karyam. From Brahmaji, four-headed Brahmaji, Chaturmukha Brahma is the creator of entire universe. So Brahma is the Karanam of entire universe. Appa Brahmaji become what? Karyam also, Karanam also. Karanam anna cause. Karyam anna effect. So effect from the standpoint of Vishnu. Cause from the standpoint of universe. Adikartre. Brahmanaha Adikartre, first creator. Ishvara created Brahmaji first, Pradhamam Sambhavuva, Mundakopanishad. Brahma Devanam Pradhama Sambhavuva. Avanu create pannitar. Adikarta anartha. Avar the creator. Adikarta. Who are the first creator? You are the first creator of whom? Brahma. You are the first creator. Our second creator. Second creator. Creator ki creator ivaru. Adukku Adikarta. Our karta. Creator. Srishtikarta. Brahmaji. Srishtikartani srishtik pannadaru Vishnu. Adu Adikartre. Alaga irupparunga oru word you can see the connection. Therefore you are what? Ananta. Oh limitless one. The limitless again Ishvara Sagunam relatively limitless. Relative eternity. Here Ananta means limitless, eternal. Devesha. Devesha means Devanam Ishagaha, who is the ruler of gods. Oh limitless one, who is the ruler of gods. Ishaha means ruler, Devaha means gods. Jagannivasa. You are the abode of the universe. Vishwadharam anartham. Vishwadharam. One in whom the world is remaining or revolves. The whole universe, the world is in him, revolving in him only, in Artham, in Ishvara. You are the ruler of the whole universe. Therefore, you are the Asat and Sat. You are the cause and the effect. Karanam and Karyam. Here only we have to understand. Karanam and Karyam means what? Manifested and unmanifested. You are the cause. Sadasat Tam Tat Aksharam. Asat means Amurta Prapancha, unmanifested universe, not yet created, unmanifest universe, that which is in Bija Avastha, potential form, invisible form. asat. Sat means Murta Prapancha, which is in visible form. Now we are all seeing what Prapancha? Murtam or Amurtam? Murta Prapancha, visible universe. Sat, with forms, that is Vyaktam, Vyakta Prapancham. Both are in time only. Both are in time. Cause and effect are both are in time principle. Whereas Tvam Tat Aksharam, you are that imperishable truth. You are beyond both. Karya Karana Vilakshanam. Anartham. Akshara means imperishable, timeless, Kalatitam. Once Brahmaji, other devatas are all in time principle, the one who created all of them must be Kala Atitam. Suppose he is also in the Kala, Adi Karta also is in the Kala time principle, what question will come? Who created that time? Adinala time principle also Bhagavan only created. As he created the devatas, time principle also has come into existence. Why? Creation vandodane eppo nu kekkalama illaya. Baby girl, boy, born, when what time? Immediately time comes. Avarku vandu birthday kediyadu. Adi kartaku birthless. Therefore there is no time principle. Kala atitaha. That is called consciousness and artha. Chaitanyam, real nature of that Vishnu, consciousness. Tvam tat aksharam. Hey Krishna, you are really speaking that imperishable Lord who is transcending cause and effect, this Vyakta and Avyakta Prapancha. Therefore worship that Lord, not local gods. Okay. That is called Sampradaya. If you worship that Lord who is the primal God, you are in Sampradaya. If you give up that Lord and local gods, if you take up, you are out of Sampradaya. It takes lot of time for such a person to come to moksha. If you take primal God, Prime Minister kitta ponumanna, you go on moving local councillors, MLAs, here Chief Minister. How long it will take to go to Prime Minister? Go straight away to Prime Minister. Go to straight away Prime Minister, over, work, job is done. If you go to councillors, MLAs, MPs here also, they have to go what? Where? Prime Minister. Anginindi permission varanam. Time delay aidum. So better to go straight. Go na nijama go illa. Okay, chumma solren. That's why Sampradaya Shastra Baddhamana Poojakal Pandanam. Don't give up daily puja. Worship those gods who are already prescribed in the Shastra. Shastra nidikra gods da puja pandaname tavara. And local gods, temporarily people who are coming, I am Bhagavan of this universe, I am Bhagavan. This is in the Shastra. That is worship. You can respect them. You can have respect others also. But your worship, total commitment, dedication, bhakti is towards that Lord. Okay? It doesn't mean you have to disrespect them. No. We need not disrespect. They are also manifestation of God only. Manifestations we don't want. That is what we have to be careful. Ellame Bhagavan da. But ellame Bhagavan, I can worship anything. But where Bhagavan manifests maximum. That's what Shastra. Panchayatana puja, why they do? Chumma Banua, Upasana, enna ye pandrana. That's why those people are very close to Atma Jnana. Because when they come to Shastra, Chitta Shuddhi, lot of Chitta Shuddhi, lot of elevation, lot of clarity in Bhagavan's Ishvara Swarupam and all. Very easy for them. But in the person go, Janmas it will take again. Adukada Pamar Janangalki, they will take other gods. But not koncham elevated people, they never go there. They never go. Let them worship. Let them worship. Nothing wrong in that. But if you want to come to this Jnanam level, you have to take up Shastra, Paddhati, Achara. That is important, prescribed by Shastra. Yat param tat aksharam, which is beyond both. This aksharam, the aksharam, the imperishable nature, the truth, capital T. The truth, you are the param, means supreme, desha kala atitam. Beyond manifest and unmanifest matter. What is there in a beyond time and matter? Manifest matter ki unmanifest matter ki mele enna irukna? Chaitanyam, Brahma irukku. Arupa Brahman. Next shloka. Still glorification is going on. Tvamadidevah purushah puranah Tvamasya vishwasya param nidhanam Vettasi vedyam cha param cha dhamam Tvaya tatam vishwamanantarupam. This is also a wonderful prayer verse. Tvam Adi Devaha. Adi Devaha means Adi Karanam. Brahmaji is also Karanam, but not Adi Karanam. Who is Adi Karanam? You, the Lord Krishna, who is none other than Vishnu. So Vishnu means Samashti Karana Shariram. Anartham. கொஞ்சம் டெக்னிக்கல்ல சமஷ்டி காரண சரீரம் விஷ்ணு. The lotus, Brahmaji, who is lotus, is called Sukshma Shariram. Samashti, Sukshma Shariram, it represents subtle body. Hiranyagarbha anartham. Brahmaji ki enna peru? Hiranyagarbha. Total subtle universe or subtle body. Brahmaji is that Sukshma Sahita, Sukshma Sharira Chaitanyam. Sukshma Sharira Sahita Chaitanyam Brahmaji. Okay. Tvam Adi Devaha, primal God. Puranaha Purushaha. Puranaha means you are the ancient one. Pura api navaha Puranaha. Purushaha means Puru or Puri means Shariram. Shaha means indweller, inner reality. The inner reality in everybody, every body. The inner reality in everybody, in every body. Shaha. So, Sharire Vasati iti Purushaha. Purayati Sarvam iti Purushaha. Pure Vasati Antaratma ityarthaha. Purushaha na husband ani sollakudadu. In Tamil alla Purushan anna husband. Adre Pati, Bhagavan is the Pati enartha. Pati enartha. Not local pati, okay. Main pati, husband, and Bhagavan is the husband. That's what Andal, No? I don't want any local husband. Who want these local husbands? I want that pati. That is a Margani Masa Andal. Not local Andal. Okay. Purushaha Tvam Param Nidhanam. Param means supreme. Nidhanam means dissolution ground. You are the dissolution ground. Nidhiyate asmin jagat sarvam iti tvam param nidhanam. Tvam means you. How this dissolution take place? Prithvi merges into waters. Prithvi tattvam, earth merges into jala tattvam. Jala tattvam nadarimo water principle. Jala tattvam merges into Agni tattvam, fire principle. Agni tattvam merges into Vayu tattvam, air principle. Vayu tattvam merges into Akasha tattvam, space principle. Akasha merges into Brahman. அதே ஆர்டரில் போகணும். எப்படி வந்தாமோ அப்படியே போகணும். கிளாஸுக்கு எப்படி வந்தோம்? இப்படி தான் வந்தோம். திரும்பி எப்படி போகணும்? அப்படி தான் போகணும் கீழே. So, param nidhanam. Everyone has to finally, ultimately, they have to merge in you. Resolve in you. Why? Because from you only all have come. Therefore, param nidhanam. Asya vishwasya. You are the abode, dissolution ground of what now? This entire universe. That's why where all are going and where they are going, anything disappearing, you say, aha, merging in the Lord. And சொல்லணும். அப்படி சொல்லாமலே என்ன பண்றோம்? அழுதுண்டே இருக்கோம். So therefore, merging with the Lord, nothing but came Akashat Patitam Toyam. Last week rain. Akashat Patitam, or where from it came? Akashat Patitam Toyam. ஒரு drop தானே விழுந்தது. Okay, not bucket. ஒரு drop. Yadha gacchati sagaram. So merges into ocean. Therefore, we need not grieve for death. No? ஐயோ டெத் வருமோ, டெத் வரும், மரண பயம் எதுக்குப்பான்னா. Really you have to feel happy. Okay? The wave has to feel happy to merge in ocean. How much distance is there for wave and ocean? Wave-க்கு ocean-க்கு எவ்வளவு distance இருக்குன்னு? Distance-ஏ கிடையாது. Because wave is where? In water. Similarly, where we are all like waves. This wave body wave goes away. போய்தான் ஆகணும். சுவாமினி நிஜமாவா? இது அமங்கலம் எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? Wave merging into the ocean is amangalam. Wave coming is mangalam. Wave merging into the ocean is amangalam. How is it? Wave coming is mangalam and wave merging into ocean also mangalam only. It is not amangalam. Therefore, manifesting in the body, this I leave this body, I merge into what? Chaitanyam Brahma. Mangalam. That's why death is also mangalam. Never say death is amangalam. Just leaving this body, that's all. No. Where can I go? In Bhagavan only. To reach Bhagavan, why I have to cry, grumble? இதுதான் மரண பயம் வராமல் இருக்கணும்னா இந்த மாதிரி தியானம் பண்ணணும். ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் வர்ரி, death phobia, all these problems can come out. Even early age it starts. Some people 25-20s marana bhayam vandadum. If you understand in this way, there is no bhayam at all. I am only appearing in all bodies. That is jnanam. Okay, final. Even before jnanam also you are merging where? Na? Bhagavan. Why? Where you merge other than Bhagavan? Because everything is Bhagavan. You cannot go anywhere where Bhagavan is not there. Therefore, Arjuna says, you are the resolution ground. Dream resolves into whom? Waker. Dream resolves into waker. Dreamer need not cry. Dreamer came from whom? Waker. So, dreamer has to go where? Waker. Similarly, I am this consciousness appearing in this body came from Bhagavan, merged into Bhagavan. I am very happy to take another body, new body. Okay, what is wrong? What is wrong? Nice body. In the body, okay. Asya Vishwasya Param Nidhanam. Veta asi Vedyam cha asena. You are the knower and the known. Very, very technical words. Knower, Veta na knower. Vetru shabdaha. Rikarantaha pumlingaha vetru shabdaha. Veta, vetaro, vetaraha. Knower. And Vedyam cha, the known object. Prameyam. Pramata, knower. Vedyam means known object. How to understand? Pramata means the knower. Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. I am the Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. Sthula Shariram Dwara, Sukshma Shariram Dwara, Karana Shariram. What are my titles? Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. I am the knower. You are the knower or not now? Knower of what? Vishwarupa Darshanam. You are the knower of the 11th chapter. Knower? As Vishwa. As a dreamer, you are knower or not? Taijasa. Dreamer, knower. Sleepla? Prajna? Unnu theriyadane? Theriyum. Knower. Okay. So Vishwa Taijasa Prajna Pramata. That means what? Bhagavan Arjuna says, even this knower Arjuna also, you only. This knower want to know Paramatma. What is that Paramatma? You only. Naan hengirike Arjunane illa. That is called dropping the individuality. Naan angra ahankarame vidu. Vidappa videna. You are the knower. You are the known. Known na Sukshma, Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, Prapancha anartham. At the objective level, it is subjective level. Subjective level and objective level. This is the relative world. This is the relative world, body, relative world. Pramata, Veta, knower. Knowing what? Entire universe, Prameyam. See, the entire universe, this knower, where are they? In the universe. Universe is what? Bhagavan. I am in the universe or not? So this is also in the universe. The knower is also in the universe. The object universe is also nothing but Bhagavan only. Therefore, known world, knower are nothing but what? Arjuna ki evvala maturity vandachu parungo. Veta asitvam and Vedyam api tvam. Where am I? Wave is telling, no? Wave is telling. Water. You are the ocean. You are the wave. Wave is telling to the waters. You are the ocean. You are the wave. You are the wave, you are the ocean. What is that ocean wave? Nothing but water. Waters. Wave is telling to the waters that water is nothing but what? Ocean. Ocean is nothing but what? Water. Wave is nothing but what? Water. Ocean is the samashti name for the waters. Wave is the vyasti name for waters. What is the truth? Ocean is not there. Wave is not there. What is there? Water is there. Water alone is there. So this wave This wave na body wave. Body mind complex wave. Samashti prapancha is like a ocean. What is there? Paramatma. Paramatma alone is there. Bhagavan alone is there. இப்போ எங்க போகணும் பகவான் பார்க்கறதுக்கு? Tell me. Where to go? That's why to remove this type of notion, Bhagavan is somewhere, I want to travel, I want to reach Bhagavan, that notion to remove only Vishwarupa Dhyana. Bhagavan is somewhere in the Vaikuntha, Kailasa, I want to travel, I want to reach. Now tell me, wave to reach to that ocean, waters, how many miles it has to travel? It need not travel. So to reach Bhagavan, how many miles I have to travel? You cannot travel because you are in Bhagavan. You are in the Bhagavan. Where to travel? அதனால இந்த டிராவல் பிசினஸ் எல்லாம் வேண்டாம், டூரிசம் எல்லாம் வச்சுக்காதே. Drop that notion. Drop that notion. Bhagavan is away from me. Bhagavan is not away from me. As long as I see Bhagavan is away from me, life is miserable. Bhagavan is not away from me. How can Bhagavan be away? He is all-pervading Bhagavan. Therefore, there is no question of traveling. No Vaikuntha, no Kailasa. Where is Vaikuntha? Tell me now. Here itself. Where is Kailasa? Here itself. Therefore, what? You need not buy ticket. You need not get into the train. Not necessary. Therefore, Dhama as well as the abode. Parandhama. Parandhamaya nu peru veppar theriyuma? Parandhamaya. You are the subject object pair. Beyond an artham. Param na beyond. You are beyond both sthula sukshma karana prapancha. You are beyond the sthula sukshma karana sharira. Vishwa Taijasa Pragnaniki Hiranyagarbha Virat Hiranyagarbha Ishwanaki you are Apparpattavan. Idella Samashti Vyashti. Idukella Apparpattavan yaru? Chaitanyam Brahma Param Dhama. So Pramatra Prameya Vilakshana Turiya Atma Tvam Asi. You are Vishwam Tatam Tvaya. This entire universe is pervaded by you. Vishwam Tatam na Tanu Vyap Tanu Vistare in artham dhatu. Tatam means pervading. The universe is pervaded by varieties of names and forms. Vividham Pratyagamyam Vishwam. That which is universe is appearing in manifold ways. How many colors, how many forms, all are nothing but Vishwam. Tvaya Tatam. It is pervaded by you alone. Para Prakriti pervades in Jivas. O Lord, Ananta Rupa, Anantaha, Antaha na vidyate Anantaha. There is no end. Tanartham. Anta na vidyate tat rupani. For your forms, how many forms are there? Limitless. Adava Ananta Rupa. Adha Tanam padumbodhu Bhagavan glory எவ்வளோ பாட்டு பாட்டினா திருப்தியாக இல்லை. அதனால அனந்த 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 மாடி என்னாச்சு? தானம் ஆயிடுது. தானம் கிடையாது ஆக்சுவலாக. ராகம் தானம் பல்லவேன்னு சொல்லுவான். வாட் டு யூ மீன் பை தானம்? யூ ரிப்பீட் தானம் கண்டினியூஸ்லி. தானம் 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 அனந்தாச்சு. அந்த அனந்த அனந்த பாடி 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 தானம் ஆயிடுச்சு இவருக்கு. தானம் தானம்னு பண்ணுவான். தப்பு ஆக்சுவலா, அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. அனம் தனம் 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 சொல்லணும். அது யாருங்க சொல்லறது? இப்போ அப்படி பண்ணிக்கிட்டான். ராகம் தானம் பல்லவி என்ன. ஓகே, இந்த மியூசிஷியன்ஸுக்கு தெரியணும் இது இந்த விஷயம். ஓகே, அனந்த ரூபா. ஏதோ உங்க கிருஷ்ணர் பேர்ல வச்சு ஒரு பக்தர் கிருஷ்ணர் பேர்ல பாடம் எழுதுறாரு. கிருஷ்ணர் ராமர் பேர் வச்சு தியாகராஜா ரோட். Bhagavan is limited by Rama for Purandaradasa wrote on Krishna or some other god is Vithala, or he is limited by that form. That's why Tanam. Yavala Kirtan Ididanu Eka Rupanda. Tanam Aneka Rupam Arupam. Next shloka 39. Vayuryamogniर्वरुणः शशाङ्कः प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते. Very nice shloka. This Vayu, Yamaha, Agni, Varuna, Shashanka, all are nothing but that creation. Karyam anartham. All of them are representing one law only. This is called law. La means what? Karanam and Karyam. All are devatas. That's why in prayer, Shanno Mitrasham Varunaha, Shanno Bhavatvaryama, that all Vayu, all are coming. Swami Pratyaksham Brahmasi. Vayu, we are asking, seeking the blessings of all gods. Vayu, you are the Vayu, air principle. Yamaha, controller of the population. See, the death வரக்கூடாதுன்னா பாப்புலேஷன் எப்படி கண்ட்ரோல் ஆக முடியும்? ஆகட்டும் சுவாமி, எங்கேயோ பாம்பு அடிக்கட்டும், இங்கே பீப்புள் இட் ஷுட் நாட் கம் டு அஸ். அதுதான் தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அகங்கார, இண்டிவிஜுவாலிட்டி. See you yourself in the whole cosmos. That's why expand your ahankara. Expand your ahankara. Natural. Everything is natural. Yamaha, Agnihi, fire principle. Yam means to restrain. Yachati, the one who restrains the population. One gold only appears into many ornaments. No? Ornaments you melt, where they go? To gold. One karanam, many karyams. You are the karanam, manifest universe ke karanam. Varunaha api. Again tomorrow varapoda cyclone. Within 72 hours, severe cyclone is going to come. Varunaha, Bhagavan is going to come. Bombay fire, Agni Bhagavan, Varuna Bhagavan, Yama Bhagavan is busy. Okay, Shashankaha, the moon, Prajapatihi, moon, you supply sun also. Okay, let me show you. Prajapatihi, Chaturmukha Brahma. You are the one what? Prapitamaha, grandfather, mother. Okay, Pitamahasya Pitana. Brahmaji is the Pitamaha, is the grandfather for all devatas. Avariki father yaru? Ishvara, Vishnu. Therefore, Prapitamaha anartha. You are the great grandfather. Great grandfather, avariki father in keka kodadu. Okay, he is fatherless father. Sahasra Krutvaha. A 1,000-fold salutation. Namaha, Namaha. Onnu rondille. Sahasra Krutvaha, Namaha, Namaha te astu. I am saluting thousands and thousands of times to you. Salutations. Namaha, Namaha. How many times he is telling? Namaha, Namaha. Namaha, Namaha. Punaha, Punaha, Bhuyaha, Eva api Namaha. Vilindi namaskaram pandra. நம்ம கூட பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் ஒர்க் பண்ணுங்க. பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே పూర్ణస్య పూర్ణమాదాయ పూర్ణమేవావశిష్యతే. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. హరి ఓం. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం.